In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GCash to the Apple App Store in minutes. Before we begin, make sure you're connected to the internet and that your GCash account is active on the same device. This process links your wallet directly to your Apple ID so you can pay for apps, subscriptions, and in-app purchases with your GCash balance. Start by opening the App Store on your iPhone. On the main screen, look to the top right and tap your profile avatar. This takes you to your account page where you manage purchases and settings. Next, go into your payment settings by tapping your name or avatar again. Depending on your iOS version, you'll see either Manage Payments or Payment and Shipping. Both lead to the same place where you control how you pay on the App Store. From here, choose Add Payment Method. You'll see a list of available options. Select GCash. You might notice other e-wallets appear as well, like PayMaya, but for this walkthrough, we're choosing GCash. When prompted, tap Login to GCash. Your phone will switch you over to the GCash app automatically. Enter your GCash PIN to confirm it's really you. This is handled securely inside the GCash app, and your PIN isn't shared with Apple. You'll now see a permission screen explaining what access is needed to connect your wallet. Take a moment to review it, tick the checkbox to approve, and then tap Authorize. This allows Apple to charge your GCash account for purchases you make. For security, you'll receive a one-time authentication code via text message. Keep an eye on your messages, enter the code exactly as shown, and tap Submit Code. These codes usually expire quickly, so it helps to enter it right away and keep it private. After successful authorization, you'll be returned to your Apple account screen. GCash will now appear in your list of payment methods. That confirms the setup is complete and your wallet is ready to use. The next time you download a paid app, subscribe to a service, or buy something in-app, GCash will be available as a payment option. If you ever don't see GCash in the list, double check that your device software is up to date and that your region supports this feature. Otherwise, you're all set. Enjoy the convenience of paying with GCash on the Apple App Store in just a few minutes.